Hello marketers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to add a website property and also delete a website property from your Google Analytics. Here I am inside of my dashboard. Click this settings icon right here. On this column, this is your account list. Each account can hold up to 50 properties. So to me, I think of accounts as a category or a group, and you can have up to 100 groups or 100 accounts, and each account can hold up to 50 properties. And when you select an account, your property list will show up here in this middle column. Click on this drop down to see your property list. And first I'm going to show you how to delete a property or website. So I selected my website here, which I no longer want to have in my Google Analytics, and then click on property settings, and here you can click move to trash can and delete property. And that's all there is to it for deleting your property. Now to create a new property, again you can select an account with this drop down right here, and then click on create property and select whether you want to create a tracking code for a web property or apps or both. So for me, I'm going to create a web property. Now just enter in your website name and URL, a category, and a reporting time zone. And you can basically track any kind of website URL, including subdomains like I have here. And down here it says how many properties you have already added out of a maximum of 50. When you're ready, click create. And right there it says success. And here is the new tracking ID for this property. Okay, that's all there is to it. I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again, and happy marketing.